Hey guys, so we went to Prativalaji. It is around 40 kilometers from Pune and is a beautiful replica of the real Venkateshwara temple, the Tirumala Venkateshwara temple. The place is nice and clean. Photography is not allowed inside the temple. So once we were back, I wanted to exfoliate my skin as I recently went on a trip to Kamshet as well and today to Prativalaji. My skin needed some rest. The first thing I do before skincare is tie my hair. It's very annoying when hair keeps falling on your face when you're trying to apply something. So first I will wet my hair a bit and use a serum. I'm using L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Wheat Oil Serum. I'll apply it on my hair and comb my hair. I'm using a white tooth comb here. You can tie it to a pony or a bun too, whichever you are comfortable with. And the most important step at first, brushing the teeth. Once done, I'll wash my face using Cipla Salicylic face wash. It's a foaming face wash for oily, acne and pimple prone skin. It has 2% salicylic acid. I take around 3 to 4 pumps and this bottle goes for about a month for me. I use it once a day. Earlier I would use Himalaya Neem face wash and my skin would be flawless, but recently my skin's need has changed and the products have changed too. Do not use it for more than 30 to 40 seconds. The next thing, I'm going to use the Minimalist Peel. It is Minimalist AHA 25%, PHA 5% and BHA 2% peeling solution. It says that it gives a smooth texture to your skin. So this is the first time I'm trying it, and to be honest, I have fallen in love with the Minimalist products. I have already used the niacinamide solution and it works well. This is a brand for middle class skincare enthusiasts who do not want to spend thousands of rupees on products like Ordinary. The look and feel of the product is exactly like that of the Ordinary. But recently they have changed it. The bottles are now all black in color. I had ordered all these products about a month back and they recently changed the packaging. The instructions are clearly mentioned at the back of the bottle and even the time when we should use the product, like AM for morning and PM for night. I think we are not supposed to touch the dropper to the skin, but for first time users it's a bit difficult. I'm going to keep it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off. So after 10 minutes I'll wash it off. So today I'm going to try out the Miniso sponge, which I bought a few days back and I had shown the product in an earlier video. It is a hard sponge but it turns soft on keeping it in water for a minute or two. My skin is still in the healing phase. It's still very sensitive. A lot of damage has already been done to the skin, so I'm taking it slow. It's a nighttime routine. I always prefer to exfoliate at night as my skin will not get direct sunlight and will have the whole night to rest and heal. The solution turns a bit sticky after 10 minutes, so I'll start washing it up. I have used coffee, sugar and whatnot to exfoliate when I was younger, but now I have learned that physical exfoliants are very damaging to the skin. If you're new to skincare, you must definitely avoid using those kind of scrubs at first, because if you have younger skin, if you are in your 20s, that will work. You won't find anything damaging to the skin, but later on you will realize that it has actually damaged the skin, and I have gone through that phase. I generally exfoliate my skin once a month or once every 3 weeks. The next thing I do right after washing my face is to apply a lip balm. For me, it's every Bengali's favorite, the antiseptic cream Borolin. Sometimes I even apply it under and over my eyes. The next thing I use is the Minimalist Niacinamide Face Serum. It's 10% niacinamide and zinc. So it's a face serum for acne marks, blemishes, and it helps in balancing oil with zinc. I use just a few drops. The coverage of their products is really good. I purchased this bottle around 3 months back and I still have 1/3 of the product left. I'm so happy I got the delivery of my IKEA products. I got this organizer from IKEA. It's actually a shoe organizer and I received it a few days back. I'm using it to keep my skincare products, towels, undergarments. You can even reduce the length. There is Velcro attached to the back and we can reduce the length by 1 row. I have used the carafe to store the kokum sharbat I got from Goa, and these straws are of steel and come with a brush to clean them. Very environment friendly. The jars too are really good. They are airtight. I've already roasted some dry fruits and stored them in the jar. So it was snack time and you must try these biscuits also. They are yummy. This one is cheddar cheese flavored. And the other one is peanut butter flavored. Just yum. This is a new item I purchased from Miniso. The brush is really soft. I'll apply the Cipla face wash. And I'll use the massager which came with the kit. The massager is okay. I might use it once a month, but not more. Now, as I exfoliated the skin yesterday, I will use some kind of hydrating mask today. Once I wash the face off, I'll dry it. And today I'm applying Chumbak pomegranate face mask. I got this from Chumbak. I generally keep it in the fridge. The instructions are very clear and simple. As usual, I'll go through the instructions carefully. I generally keep my masks in the fridge, so it feels really good when I apply it. And it does have some artificial smell in it. And of course, there is enough serum in the package to cover your neck and chest area. After 15 minutes, I'll remove the mask. It felt nice, but after some time, it turned sticky. So I wash it off and applied sunscreen. Never forget to wear sunscreen even if you are in the house. I hope you try the products that I used in the video and let me know if you liked any of them. Thank you for watching. Bye.